What's up, YouTube? Give y'all a quick, basically a tutorial, some tips on how to actually run a cargo van business, box truck business, basically be a courier. Let's just sum it all up to be a courier, because people will confuse you with that. You can make money in delivering in your car. Don't let these people, like you're saying, gotta go get a cargo van, I gotta go get a box truck van. No, you really can start with your car. That's all you have. You can do medical courier. Like I said, we all know the DoorDashes. There's a whole bunch of apps I can just sit here and name, but you got to go specifically see what you need for you. You can go actually get a contract with these people if you just want a medical courier from, let's just say, 8 in the morning to 1 o'clock in the day, and then hop on these apps and still go crazy, run your money up. Like I said, it's all on how big of freight you can handle. Do you have the dollies? Excuse me. Do you have the straps? Because you're going to need these things if you're going to go bigger than medical. Like I said, you're going to have to look at the pricings on these cargo vans. What's the most reliable? That's my main. If you're going to be going state to state or even in your state, it doesn't even matter, honestly. But if you're going to buy a van and you're, like I said, if you're not, even if you bought it from the lot, it does not mean anything. I seen guys buy the Benz Sprinter. As soon as I heard Mercedes-Benz and I'm about to be putting miles on this, I know I'm a Chevrolet guy, but I know Chevrolet is going to be reliable. I know how to work on it, honestly. I may not, like I said, go deep, but the basics, batteries, alternators, all that stuff, if you know, you know. Ford, you know you Ford fans, but this is about the money right now, so I don't have no biasness with the money. But whatever. Get you a Ford Transit, whatever. But you're going to have to get you something reliable. Don't be winging it, think you just get this Benz van and it's just going to ride you for 10 years. Nah, I'd rather believe in the Chevys and Fords, me personally, if you want to actually ride for 5 years. I drive a Chevrolet right now. Been driving that for the past 2 years right now. And I'm picking up big freight in my box truck. Like I said, thousands of pounds. Running off apps. People calling me to move in, move out. Because you don't have to just run courier. You can actually, like I said, I started my own business. What got me into the box truck business wasn't the box trucks, honestly. I was interested, but really got me is I had to move my vending machines, and I'm like, I'm tired of calling somebody for a truck. But then I get the truck sat in my yard for about a month till I really was like, hold on, how can I make some money with the sucker? Once you start getting online, Googling things, I'm talking about making money instant, same week, and getting paid. And I'm like, hold up. So all you need is either, like I said, car, pickup truck. Pickup truck is going to be more money than that car. Like I said, if you're going to carry freight. What? Cargo van, box truck? Now I'm looking at it as we speak right now. Oh, shit. Why can't I ain't saying you buy all four, but try to figure out which two to buy that's going to really you can scale up and run a system. Because me personally, I'm going to buy another van or box truck, whatever. Like I said, if it's the right deal, I'm going for the right deal. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to build a system and hire someone. I'm already going to be in a truck, but hold on, how do you build a system in trucking? I don't want to just be in a truck all day, but you can build a system. If you want to go buy the vehicles for them to just drive, see how that's structured to do now? That's why I get it with the logistics with the logging companies now. You don't really see the business owner driving the trucks. You see them hire more people, hire more people to drive them. That's how you see it. But these companies need us, like an Amazon Relay, for instance. If you got a cargo van or a box truck, run for Amazon Relay if you don't know what you're doing. Like I said, the bigger the load boards, you're going to start needing DOT numbers. You're going to start those insurances, $100,000, million, whatever you want to call it. You're going to need insurance. I hope you're riding around with insurance anyway. You never know. Like I said, you never know what can happen out here. I've learned one thing with the driving. Just because I can drive don't mean the next person beside me can drive. So don't think an accident just can't happen. It can happen to you. But if you're going to do it from your car to your van to your truck, just figure out how you're going to do it. Like I said, you couldn't do all that in your car. But if you're going to actually post your business so you don't have to just, me personally, I don't try to stick to apps. I try to use apps maybe 40% of the time. I don't want to rely on the app. But if that's where you need to start making your money, I'd advise you to do that now. Or you could just Like I said, wing it the beginning, buy your van. I wouldn't advise it. I just start going looking around, see who's hiring. What apps can I actually start using now? What vehicles do they require? But that's just a quick tutorial. Y'all gonna like this video, subscribe if you're new. Those was the tips you really needed.